Wix website design ideas. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be giving you some Wix website design ideas. If you're looking to create a website on Wix and you're struggling and you are looking for an inspiration to create a high quality professional website, then this video is for you. I have collected these websites for you that are created with Wix, and I'll be showing you. I will also tell you the domains and everything so that you can actually check out these websites in real time and check all of the different aspects to get started with your own website. Now, let's get into it. So, the first website that I have for you guys is known as filmfoley.p. Now, shout out to all of the websites that I will be showing here. Now, this is our website here, which is Filmfoley, and this one is created with Wix. So, with this website design, you can see at the top first, very impressive video, banner that we're seeing here with a lot of different videos. It is actually a creative production studio website, so it has a lot of visual effects to it. And if I scroll down a little bit, we have this text column here. Then I can scroll down and we have our teams here. You can add skills here if you have like industry or business website. Then I can scroll down to check out the different types of pages that they have. They have a video and a photo page, so this has been added here. Now the website looks pretty simple yet very impressive. So this is what we want, and you can see this is created with Wix. So you can check the design here. Even this is a slideshow, and then we can scroll down to check the footer. Within our footer, we're getting some of the pages, all of the different pages, testimonial pages, product videos, and more. At this side of the screen, you'll be able to see the information, and we have our socials. So the footer is actually pretty big here, and you can see at the top there's also a scheme going on, which is like this teal color. At the top we have like work, approach, about 4 of the pages, 5 to 4 pages created, and at the top we even have some languages. So the top banner image right here is very impressive, and it's a very simple looking website that has been created with Wix, and you should go ahead and check it out to actually check what you can do with your Wix website. The next website I have for you is brownowlcreative.com. Now, this is another website that has been created with Wix. So, here you'll also be able to find the other websites that are created with Wix. And you can see at the top we have our pages. And this is actually, it speaks Wix. You can see right here, because the design, the background, you can immediately tell that this website was created with Wix. And you can see we have all of our different media here. We have our photos. This one is actually pretty simple, and we just have like different images. We have different slides, and we can scroll down to check the footer here. And you can see with this one, it actually shows you the different templates available with Wix too, and it shows you that you can also get started with a website like this, all of the different ideas, and you can also use your Wix editor to build a website like this. At the top we have 3 pages: work, services, and contact. This kind of website is pretty good for a business or a portfolio website, and with this you'll be able to showcase your skills and your talent very easily. You can create a portfolio page here, and you can mention it here. You can show your photos or videos if you have like a photography portfolio and something like that. So this is actually a pretty good website. You can check out brownowlcreative.com. Next on the list, we have Paradigm Design. You can go to shopparadigmdesign.com and you'll land on this website. This website is also created with Wix, and this one is actually an online store website. So you can see this one is for your shop, any kind of shop you want to create with Wix. This is a perfect example for you and an inspiration, an idea that you should go for. So at the top here, we have our socials given, we have our logo, then we have our pages where we can also check out our different category pages. We have our product pages and more. Then we have our contacts here. We even have at the top, we have our credit option and more. There is this banner image for this design. This is actually a website for the jewelry and different stuff, so you can see right here. Now they have given us different categories here, so you can actually add different categories here. You can see template right here looks very subtle. That's what I'm actually liking about this website. You can see the design is very subtle, very aesthetic, and it looks really good. So if you're looking to create a beauty website or a shop, then I think this one is a really good example for you, and you should check it out. You can see here we have our custom design, their best sellers, the product are shown on the website, and the homepage looks pretty simple. And then at the bottom here we have our footer where we have all of the different products categories, and at the bottom we are also seeing some of the payment methods. This is a pretty good example, and now we can check out the other pages too. For instance, we can browse according to category. The design is very impressive. We also have a sticky header at the top, and the color scheme is looking really good, and this is a pretty good template and a website that you need to check out if you want to create a website with Wix. This is created with Wix.com. The next website is going to be Onion Education. Now, this one is for you if you want to create a business or education related website. This one is also created with Wix. At the top, we have our pages, we have our logo, and we're seeing this huge banner video, and which is looking pretty good with the text and the slides. We can scroll down to check out the text section here. Then we have our very simple image and text, and then we're seeing some of the blogs and articles that are being embedded into the homepage that are embedded, and then we have our footer. So this is a very good example for you if you want to create an agency website, if you want to create educational website, a business website, even a portfolio website. And you can see it's a very simple and very clear homepage that we're seeing with this website. At the bottom we have our footer that gives us all of the information. So you can see the menu also looks really good at the top, and then we have like this effect which is very professional and very clear. So you can also create a website like this with Wix, and you can see we have our buttons. There's literally within our Wix editor, if you use Wix already, you'll be able to kind of like recognize different things here. For instance, the button designs, and then you can see that what kind of blocks have been added here. Not much, simple text, and then we had like text and photo, and then we got this section here that has like different background color with the text, and then we have our blocks that we can embed. So you can see this is actually looking good. We also have this button here to take us to the top, and the background is pretty huge. So if you want the home page to show something like this, then you should check out this website, which is onioneducation.com. Last but not the least, I have another website for you to check out to get inspiration for your new website, which is going to be awkwardphotovideo.com. This is a photography website, and I'm actually in love with the aesthetics of it, the design. And if you're looking to create a website like this for your portfolio, for your photography website, maybe for your hotel website, for your business, then you should check this out. The font and the color scheme is amazing. This is a wedding photography website, and you can see at the top we have like a pretty huge menu here, which is also a sticky menu. So we got this logo here, then we have this font going on, we have home, about, our work, services, contact, and more. Then we have this slideshow right here. So this is the slideshow for the pictures, and the pictures actually look pretty good. The color scheme has been matched with the website. And then we have this very aesthetic and very fun type of introduction and the about us. And here the pictures have been added this way. You can see we can scroll down to check out our work, and here we have this image gallery created and different categories, and then we also have a video. Very simple design, yet very elegant. We are even getting some of the testimonials and different reviews and everything, which is in the form of this cursor here. And then we can scroll down to see the again different categories that have been created: weddings, engagements, studio, and more. So we can scroll down to check it out. And then at the bottom we also are getting a contact form. So there's a contact form embedded into the home page. Then we can scroll down to check. We have like, you can see the difference, the button designs and everything. So with Wix, a lot of people think that we can only create these square type, very professional, and like these type of website. But this website is a pretty good example for you guys, that we can create these very fun, type of websites with Wix with like this italic font and everything. So at the bottom here, we're getting a simple footer, and even the footer is very well edited. We are seeing a lot of different things. So you can see this website has been created with Wix, and you can also create a website like this. So go ahead and check it out right now, awkwardphotovideo.com. So yeah, guys, these are the Wix website design ideas that I wanted to show you. I hope now you can make an informed decision which one is better for you and which one you need to check out to get started with your own Wix website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.